Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness says Jamaica's central bank digital currency JAMDEX has not gained the level of traction initially anticipated by the government and the Bank of Jamaica. The Prime Minister revealed that JAMDEX is currently valued at 250 million Jamaican dollars, representing only a small fraction of the country's monetary base, which stood at more than 433 billion at the end of March. He explained that the slow take-up is largely due to the limited deployment of supporting digital infrastructure within the banking system. Dr. Holness conceded that more point-of-sale machines and bank cards are needed to make the system more accessible to the public, noting this will require additional investment from financial institutions. He also highlighted the need for a unified digital payments platform, adding that discussions have already begun with countries such as India to explore potential solutions. The Prime Minister said that the government is now in active discussions with commercial banks to strengthen the digital payments ecosystem and drive wider adoption of JAMDEX. The Development Bank of Jamaica has disclosed that its interventions helped to create or support 193 new businesses during the 2024-2025 financial year. The bank also reported that 341 micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises benefited from its capacity building programs during the period. In addition, some 11.3 billion Jamaican dollars in loans were dispersed, while total investments reached $39.8 billion. The DBJ has also launched a $10 billion M5 business recovery loan facility to assist MSMEs affected by Hurricane Melissa. Under the program, businesses may access loans up to $50 million over a period of 10 years at an interest rate of 8% per annum. Motorists will pay more at the pump starting Thursday as new ex-refinery prices from Petrojam show an increase in gasoline costs. Both grades of gasoline are up by $4.50. 90 octane will sell for $188.57 per liter, while 87 octane moves to $181.13. Automotive diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel each fall by 25 cents to $188.75 and $195.59 per liter, respectively. Kerosene also dips by 25 cents to $178.14 per liter. Meanwhile, propane liquid petroleum rises by $1.20 to $78.88 per liter, while butane liquid petroleum drops by $1 to $86.80. Marketing companies and retailers will add their respective markups to these prices. For the trading period of April 22, 2026, the most actively traded securities were One-on-One Educational Services Limited with 145,065,852 units, representing 83.14% of market sales activities. Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited had 50,240,143 units, or 8.73% of market sales activity. Woodcats International Limited with 7,706,594 units, representing 4.42% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in education and distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for April 22, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $156.74 and buying at $158.74. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by $6.52 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $117.87 and was bought for $111.35. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $8.10 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $216.89 and was bought for $208.79. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, this one's for entrepreneurs. Winning a government contract or a private sector contract is one thing. Delivering on it is another. Government and institutional projects often require you to front costs, staffing, materials, logistics. If your credit is strong, you can access lines of credit, trade financing, or short-term funding to bridge that gap. If it is weak, your credit score is weak, you may find yourself unable to mobilize quickly enough, making you a less attractive candidate from the start. If your goal is to attract higher value clients, your credit strategy needs to be intentional. Pay all obligations on time. Consistency matters more than perfection. Keep credit utilization low to demonstrate control over cash flow. Build relationships with financial institutions before you need them. Regularly review your credit report for accuracy and gaps. Separate personal and business credit to strengthen your professional profile. In our Funded and Focused feature, sharing knowledge helps you grow if you have the right tools. As a woman entrepreneur in the diaspora, when you connect across countries, you learn new ways to run your business. Research from the University of the West Indies shows that diaspora networks help people share skills and ideas. But this works best when you have good digital tools like online platforms and clear communication. Without them, it's harder to stay connected and learn from each other. So support is not just motivation, it's access. You need mentors who have already built businesses across countries, connectors who can introduce you to buyers, partners, and investors, peer groups of women doing similar work in the Caribbean, the US, Canada, or the UK. Because research from the Women Entrepreneur Knowledge Hub shows women grow faster when they have strong networks and mentorship. The goal: be in rooms where decisions are made, not just discussed. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.